Hey children, the next story is about a lion cub, the adventurous cub. The mother lioness is playing with her cub, who is just a few weeks old. Every morning, the mother leaves the baby in the den and goes out hunting. She has to feed her little one. Time passes by, the cub has grown. One day, after his mother has gone out hunting, the cub decides to explore the world outside. Slowly and steadily, he comes out of the den. Suddenly, the cub spots two big animals across his path. He is scared and scurries away. The cub wanders too far away from the den. He decides to walk back, but which way does he choose? Evening falls. The cub decides to search for his den. Suddenly, hidden under the trees, he sees his den and his sad mother. He hugs his mother. He's sorry and tells his teary eyed mother that there is nothing safer than the den. That's the story about the adventures of this lion cub. Bye bye.